Hello, good afternoon. You join me on the first part. No, I'm good, thank you. I have to tell tuk-tuks every 2 minutes that you're happy to walk. But you join me on the first part of my journey to the next town. I have one train to catch, then a bus. So it's just a short walk to the station now, which is just in front of me. And yeah, we'll begin the journey. So this is the station, Una Wanatuna. Let's go and try and get a train ticket now. Yeah, so how much for a ticket to Beliata?
80 rupees.
8 rupees? 80. I was about to say 8, it's very cheap, huh?
80 also cheap.
Yeah, yeah, it is very cheap, you're true. Very true. Lovely, thank you very much, sir. Estuti. So that train ticket was 80 rupee, which is around 50 pence or 50 cents in euro. Very, very cheap. So the train was due to leave at 5:15, but it's now expected at 5:45. So it's not too much of a delay, and I'm from England, so I'm used to this type of thing. Our trains are probably the worst I've ever come across, and the most expensive, and that is not an exaggeration. To get a journey that costs 50 cents is unheard of. Yeah, really starting to look like England now. Delayed trains and raining heavy. That's the noise for the barriers coming down. Should be our train. Thank you. Sorry, big bag, I can't get it by you. Hello. Just pop that down there. Sorry man, thank you. Camera. Good? Beliata. 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 Beliata.
Last time. Last
stop.
Last stop.
Last stop. Good man. Thank you. Estuti. And you go where? Matara?
Yeah. Angaman. Matalua
Angaman. Very good.
Last time ticket.
The last stop.
Last time ticket.
Last stop.
Oh.
Beliata. Last stop.
Railway last time.
Tell me. Hold on tight. Hold on very tight. Beach. Oh, good man.
Angolo Beach.
Angolo Beach. Goodbye. All the best. Take care. Estuti. Ticket man. Ticket man. Ticket man. I was wondering when someone was going to check my ticket. Well, that is obviously him there. That's the ticket man. Ticket man. going to take a long time. Hey! What's on that? It's a lot easier. What is that? There was no way I was going to use a little toothpick to pick up each one. No way. So just get in there. Finished. Spicy chickpeas. That's me at my stop, Belliata. Final stop of the line. Let's get out here and... Oh, sorry buddy. No, don't let me off. Oh. Belliata. Yeah, definitely. This is Belliata. Is this Belliata? Belliata. Down. Down. Thank you. Oh, I hope this is the one. Soon find out. Belliata? Belliata, good man, thank you. They were right, I should have trusted these boys, they did tell me, but I was getting a little bit panicky there. Right, bro? Good man. This is how we get out, yeah? Yeah? Shit. Oh, this is different. Whew. This is... Good man. Cheers. Thanks, bro. Well, that is a very different experience for me right there. But we made it. Ah, Belliata. Here we go. See that? Ticket, sir. Here we go. Thank you. Astuti. That is me. Made it on the train. Now I've got one more leg to make on a bus to Tangol. So let's try and find out where the bus station is. You know where the bus station? Bus station, down there. Yeah? Astuti. So it was quite handy. These guys are actually going to Tangol as well. So we just was on the train together. And I just asked them where the bus station. They say down here. And they asked me where I'm going. Tangol, same place. So that's worked out pretty good. So at least I know I'll be getting on the right bus. So yeah. So what's your tuk trying to trying to get my money? I know that, but I'm a traveller, not a tourist. I'm a traveller. I travel for a long time, so I need to keep my money.
Okay, normal price.
Hey,
Normal price.
Normal price. What's normal price? Tangale.
Oh, 400. Okay.
That's not normal price. I get bus cheaper. Bus cheaper. I've been Sri Lanka 3 times. I know, my friend. Good man, though. He tried.
Yeah?
Everybody got to make money, huh? Everybody's got to make their money, so I won't, you know.
400 normal price.
I know, 400. Good price. But bus cheaper. Oh, I think so. Yeah. So, what's your name? Azier, and you? Wazan. B? Ah, Fazan. And I'm Stu the Wanderer. Pleased to meet you, bro. Close, yeah? You cross the road here. There's zebra crossing, but you still have to be careful in Sri Lanka, yeah? Sometimes they don't stop. Sometimes they just keep going. So this is the bus station here. So we just need to wait for the bus to Tangol. Huh? I'm very good. How are you? You fine? Yeah, what's your name? Daniel. Digu. Oh, I say it wrong, huh? Terribly, huh? My name's Stu. Pleased to meet you. Ah, England, from England, mate. You from? Sri Lanka. Hey, it's good, huh? It's a couple of good lads there. I couldn't get his name. I wasn't being rude. I just couldn't quite get his name there. happens sometimes, you just got to go with it. Yeah, so I'm not too sure how long the bus is going to be at the moment. Just sort of a lot of people standing around. I don't really know, can't see a ticket thing anywhere. But getting a lot of good stares from people. Sure, it's funny, you know. There we go. Good? Oh, the bus is here. He's on, he's on. Right there, huh? Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Sweet. I'm on the bus. Finally made it. I'm just going to kick this bag on, see how long it takes. Just roll. I just got my ticket, which was 20 rupee, which is about 5 pence in English. So, as I said, public transport in Sri Lanka is very, very cheap. Easy to get around. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you've done it a few times, it is super, super easy. So, I really recommend using it when you get it. That's it. Arrived at the station. Thank you. Good. Hey, thank you. Yeah, good man. Thank you. Thank you. See, everybody's really, really nice, even on the bus. Nearly fell off there. Just pulling into Tangul bus station now. Final stop for me. There we go. This is Tangul, my final stop of the travel vlog. So big thank you to these two guys, helped me through the second part. Really sound, my man. Thank you very much. Top fella, wish you well with everything, my good man, yeah? Onward journey. Thank you very much, Amir. And you too, buddy. Thank you, pal. All the best, yeah? And that is how people in Sri Lanka look after you, you know, as well. They come and make sure you're on your way. Good man. Thank you. See you later, boys. They just make sure you you know where you're going, and if they can help in any way, they would. And this is me, Central Tangul. So I'll see you on the next one.